Hello, welcome to Current News. I'm your host, Chris Davis, and today we're going to talk about the Breonna Taylor decision. So, this past week, Kentucky Attorney General Daniel Cameron did a press conference saying that his office did not find police officers guilty of shooting and killing Breonna Taylor. He said that he followed the law to the fullest extent, and that's where it led him and his office. When people heard this decision, they're upset. Obviously, you've seen the news reports of people protesting in the streets. I have some questions about how the Attorney General reached this final verdict, but I want to give you guys a summary of what happened so you all have better context. So, during this past March, Louisville, Kentucky police officers got a search warrant to go to Breonna Taylor's house because it was suspected of having some connection to drugs. So police officers go there at midnight. They knock on the door. They say that they're police. They announce themselves. They don't get a response. They knock the door down. When they do, they go into the home. Breonna Taylor's boyfriend shoots one of the officers in the upper thigh. They then return fire and they kill Breonna Taylor. Now, the Attorney General of Kentucky, Daniel Cameron, did charge one officer with wanton endangerment, but that was because he shot into another apartment. It's not because of Breonna Taylor. It's for him shooting into another apartment and endangering another civilian. Now, police said that they announced themselves, but Breonna Taylor's boyfriend said that he didn't know they were police. He thought they were intruders, and that's why he shot one of them. To further back that up, multiple people in the apartment complex say that they didn't hear the police officers announce themselves, except for one person who the police officers interviewed multiple times. So that person's credibility is questionable. Now that I've given you the story, I want to ask some questions because I have some questions about how the Attorney General reached his final verdict. Okay, so first question. Why did the police officers have to go to Breonna Taylor's apartment at midnight? What was it that it was so imminent that they couldn't wait until morning to where that they'll most likely be up and they can answer the door? Because they're going there at midnight, and it's most likely they're going to be asleep. And that's what happened. When they knocked on the door, they were asleep and they really couldn't hear, and so that led to a lot of confusion. Okay, so question number 2. The police officers returned fire. They shot Breonna Taylor, but Breonna Taylor did not have a gun. Her boyfriend did. So how are they going to shoot but not hit the actual shooter? Their aim was way off. Third question that I have, and this is what one of the reporters asked in the press conference with Daniel Cameron. How can you have wanton endangerment for shooting into another apartment but not wanton endangerment for what happened in Breonna Taylor's apartment? So those are the questions that I have. Clearly, the officers could have done the job a lot better. To me, they made too many lapses in judgment, and it should have definitely been better policing. With those questions, the Attorney General could have looked into the police officers a bit more. So that's all we have for today. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. If you liked what I had to share, please hit the like button, hit subscribe, and all of you have a great day.